Welcome! In front of me I have ZTE Watch K1 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. To change the watch face on this watch, we need to first wake up the screen on it. So press the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And you can press and hold on this watch face to open the watch face menu. Here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use. And once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also do this through the settings. So if you swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. And I believe we need to tap on the watch face option here below the screen. And we'll open the watch face menu. You can find the watch face you like and tap on it to select it and apply it. And if you go back to watch face, you will see that it was applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.